and Kia for 60 seconds. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Good. Hey, Miss and Mika here. We're so excited to show you the new cool designs. And all right, so for the 4D gels, for 3D flowers using 4D gels, you are going to need the dual end brush. And at one end, you can use it for the 4D or 5D gels, and then the other ends, you're using it for liquid and powders. And here I have a newest colors, Frozen. I'm gonna add just I'm gonna do a super cute, simple is rose for you. So I'm gonna get 3 beads in the same size. It's dry now, so we're doing it 1 and do another. Can Facebook, Instagram sees okay? Yes, hey Lily from Facebook, how are you, Lily? I'm gonna make it like a little triangle when I place that 3 beads together. So this is really cool for a lot of you who it's just start with the 3D flowers. And it's like I get it about the size of like 12 or 16. Okay, so the colors I did is bubble gums already, and I did 2 coat of the bubble gums, and I did the no wipe top coat to let it cure for 60 seconds. And with ours brush to sculpting your 3D flowers, you do not need to use any alcohol at all. So I'm gonna do is press it down. Good on the video. Perfect. And on the left and the right, span it and then press it first. All right, and then leave it there. You don't have to doing it completely like really perfect it yet, because we are going back to it and adjust as you need. It's really nice. And then press it down using your tips. And then, hey everyone, happy Saturday. Hope you all have a fabulous Saturday. If you all are working right now with your clients, make a lot of money, have fun, make sure you take a break, eat something, snack, drink, take a deep breath to enjoy your special day. All right, so it's really cool. So happy with this. We're gonna flash keys really quick for about like 30 seconds. Quick 30 seconds. And then let's go into this, and I'm gonna do 2 more or 3 more petals, and this time we are going to do a smaller. So you're gonna pick smaller beads than the first layer, because you want to be inside of the petals, inside the flowers, and you're doing a smaller. And here's the colors I'm using, Frozen. I'm so obsessed with all the colors. As once, and we're gonna do the beads right between 2 petals. And it's super easy, it's not smudgy at all. And you do not need alcohol to definitely sculpting this. This is great for like a lot of nail lovers, beginners. Definitely you can get the designs. And so many different, you can see me did so many different flowers. So this is really simple. So don't you don't have to worry about it's gonna get dry, because it's not going to dry until you are going to cure it. So you have plenty of time to place and to perfect your flowers. So I'm gonna do the same Step, press it down using the tip of a silicone is exclusive dual end 3D brush. Press it down, and you don't need to be an accessories really perfect at first. You are going to do a second one. Same thing, press it down. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a fabulous day. I hope this fun video is going to make it really easy and simple for a lot of us, having so much fun. All right, it's really one of a simple way to do super cute flowers, super easy, simples. Happy with this? What I was going to cure for is 30 seconds. I do like this color, so.
It complements the pink.
Yeah, feels quick. And then now if you want to add some this is like really simple basics. I want everybody to able to achieve it. It's super easy and it's fun to do. No like frustrations and hassle at all. So sorry. Okay. Do it once right there. I'm gonna make it like a couple of this or 3 of it. That is for all of you who like decide to just want to flowers only for the clients, and then the other ones you decide to get a crystal one, so you have an idea of so many different way to doing it with super simple and easy. I'm gonna get this 3 beads is the same size basically. So if you're not sure, you can definitely cure each petals. I mean, each layers is about 10 or 30 seconds. And then you can move on to the next layer. I didn't want to put the beads out first because I want to do it with you so you can see that I am going live with you. And you can put the crystal between 4D gels. All right. You can place them all at once first, and then you can using the 3D Doers brush. All right. Eyelash Beauty. Hey, Amira. Hello. Yes. And then we want to do it, press it down. And fence it on the both sides. And again, you don't need to do it like a perfect at first. We are going to come back and make it perfect as you want. What's really cool about this is not going to cure to dry until you are curing it. See how simple it is? Just press it on the sides. And just easy with this. You don't have to really heavy-handed at all. Can you see it's good on Instagram though? It looks like a far away to me.
It looks good.
Look good? Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm so excited, everyone.
Facebook too. Looking really good.
Fabulous. Hey, welcome, welcome.
Nisha says hi.
Hey, thank you so much for tuning in.
All the way from India.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Thank you, thank you. And then, you know, it's really cool if you want to decide to move this one. I think I'm going to move this one up here. It's really cool though. With the liquid gunpowders, you can't move that. You place wherever you want is going to set there. This one, you can change your mind. When you take a nap, come back, wake up, you can still able to change your mind. Well, as long as you don't place it on the LED light, it will not cure yet. Then you can adjusting it the way you prefer. Happy with this? We're gonna give it a quick cure.
It's so international.